Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shri Rama Jayam. Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata YouTube channel, where we are studying the Deepakam Class 8 Samskrita textbook. In that, the Dvitiyaha Pathaha Alpanam Api Vastunam Samhatihi Karya Sadhika. We now look at the exercises along with an explanation in English of the answers to the questions at the end of this chapter lesson. Before going there, a quick look at the story in the form of pictures from your textbook itself. Now, the first question. Adholikitanam prashnanam ekapadena uttaram likhata. Answer the following questions in one word in Sanskrita. Mitrani Grishma Avakashe Kutra Gachanti. Where did the friends go to during the summer vacation? Devabhumim Uttara Khandam. Second one. Sarvatra Kaha Prasritaha. What enveloped them? Everywhere. Andhakaraha. They got enveloped in darkness. Kaha Sarvan Prerayan Avadat. Who inspired everyone and told something? Yeah. Answer is Nayakaha Sudhiraha. The leader by name Sudhir. Kaha Hitopadeshasya Katham Shravayati. Who made them listen to the story of Hitopadesha? Who narrated the story is again Nayakaha Sudhiraha. Kapota Rajasya Nama Kim. What is the name of the pigeon king? Answer is Chitragrivaha. Vyadha Kan Vikirya Jalam Prasaditavan. What did he scatter around and then lay the net trap? Answer is Tandula Kanan, rice grains. Vipatkale Vismayaha Kasya Lakshanam. In times of distress, whose characteristics are surprising? Kapurushasya, of a cowardly person. Chitragrivasya Mitram Hiranyakaha Kutra Nivasati. Where did Chitragriva's friend Hiranyaka live? Chitravane Gandaki Tire. Next, Chitragrivaha Hiranyakam Katham Sambodhayati. How did Chitragriva address Hiranyaka? Sakhe iti, as a friend. Purvam Kesham Pashan Chinattu iti Chitragrivaha vadati. First, whose bonds should be broken? As per what Chitragriva told, Madashritanam Kapotanam. All the other pigeons who are dependent on me, who have taken me as their refuge. These are the 10 answers to the 10 questions in this page, in this question. Next one. Purna Vakyena Uttaram Likhata. Answer the following questions using full sentences in Sanskrita. Yada Kedar Kshetram Arohantaha Asan Kim Abhavat. When they were ascending to Kedar Kshetra, what happened? Yada Kedar Kshetram Arohantaha Asan Tada Laksha Praptehe Purvam Eva Vegena Vrishtihi Arabdha Parvataskhalanam Abhavat Apicha Sarvatra Andhakaraha Prasritaha. First of all, what happened? Heavy rainfall started and then landslide. Mountains got slid down. Landslide happened and then everywhere darkness enveloped. Sarve Uchchasvarena Kim Prarthayanta. What did they pray loudly? Sarve Uchchasvarena Ishwaram He Bhagavan Raksha Asman Raksha. Oh Bhagavan, oh Lord, protect us. This is what they prayed. Asambhavam karyam katham kartum shakyate iti nayakaha uktavan. Even impossible tasks, how is it possible to be done? As per what the leader told. Asambhavam karyam atma vishwasa balena. To the power of self-confidence. Sambhuya sadhayitum shakyate. Means all of them putting their efforts together, all of them joining together along with self-confidence. Iti nayakah uktavan. Nirjane vane tandula kanan drishtva chitragriva kim nirupayati. In the deserted forest, upon seeing the rice grains, what did Chitragriva tell? Nirjane vane tandula kanan drishtva Chitragriva kutaha atra nirjane vane tandula kananam sambhavaha ite nirupyatam. Tell me, how did rice grains come in this kind of a deserted place in the forest? Kaschid vyadaha atra bhavet. There must be some hunter. Sarvatha avicharitam karma na kartavyam. We should not do any activity without proper thought, without proper consideration. Iti nirupayati. Next question. Kim niti vachanam prasiddham. What is the wise saying which is famous? Lagunam api vastunam samhatihi karya sadhika bhavati iti niti vachanam prasiddham asti. Next one. Vyadhat raksham praptum Chitragriva kam adesham dattavan. In order to protect themselves from the hunter, what advice did Chitragriva tell? Vyadhat raksham praptum Chitragrivaha asmabhi sarvaihi ekachitti bhuya jalam adaya uddiyatam iti adesham dattavan. Chitragriva said, we should all with a single-mindedness lift the net and fly together. That's what he said. Next one. Hiranyakaha kimartham tushnim sitah. Why did Hiranyaka become silent? Hiranyakaha kapotanam avapata bhayat chakitaha tushnim sitah. Upon seeing the descending of the pigeons along with the net, he got somewhat surprised. He got somewhat chakitaha, and then tushnim sitaha. Pulakitaha Hiranyakaha Chitragrivam katham prashamsati. How did Hiranyaka praise Chitragriva when he got very happy? Pulakita Hiranyaka Chitragrivam sadhu sadhu anena ashrita vatsalyena tvam trailokyasya api swamitvam praptum yogyah asi iti prashamsati. So Hiranyaka praises Chitragriva as, by this kind of motherly affection towards those who have taken refuge in you, you can even become the overlord of all the three worlds. You are eligible to become the overlord of all the three worlds, is what Hiranyaka praised Chitragriva as. Kapavataha katham atmarakshanam kritavantah. How did the pigeons protect themselves? Kapavataha Chitragrivasya niti shikshaya nayaka dharmena cha. By means of the Chitragriva's moral lesson and also leadership qualities, apicha tesham eva samhati balena, and also by their own united efforts, by their own unity, they atmarakshanam kritavantah. They protected themselves. Nayakasya prerakavachanaihi sarvepi kim akurvan. By the inspiring words of the leader, what did everyone do is Nayakasya prerakavachanaihi utsahitaha sarvepi. All enthused or becoming enthusiastic by the inspiring words of the leader. Sarvepi shokam bhayam sandehancha vihaya. Having given up grief, fear and doubt. Setu nirmana karyam akurvan. They started building the bridge. So these are the 10 answers to the 10 questions in this particular main question. Next one. Before we go to the next question, let us get a review about some of the Labanta Rupani which we saw in this lesson. A plus gam is agatya, agamya, having arrived, and so on. Aniya, having brought. Uttaya, having got up. Pranamya, pranatya, having saluted. Upakritya, having served. Nirdishya, having directed. Nischitya, having decided. Vispritya, having forgotten. Parishkritya, having scrutinized. Arabhya, having started. Swikritya, having accepted or taken. Vilikya, having written. Prakshalya, having washed. Apakritya, having done bad deed. Avalokya, having seen. Ashankya, having doubted. Vikirya, having scattered. Avatirya, having descended. Vistirya, having spread. Avalambya, having taken support. Nirmaya, having constructed. Now we'll look at the question. अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि पठित्वा ल्यप् प्रत्ययान्तेषु परिवर्तयता. Convert the following sentences to those using ल्यप् pratyaya. Means they have given two sentences here. Chhatrah kaksham pravishati. The student enters the classroom. Samskritam padhati. And he studies Sanskrit. So we have to convert both of them to one sentence like this. Chhatrah. This is the first action. Kaksham pravishati. And second action is Samskritam Patati. So we have to convert this whole thing to one sentence using the Lyap Pratyaya. Chhatraha Kaksham Pravishya Samskritam Patati. So we'll do for the others. Bhaktaha Mandiram Agachati. The devotee comes to the temple. Pujam Karoti and does the puja. So the answer is Bhaktaha Mandiram Agatya Pujam Karoti. Mata bhojanam nirmati. Mother prepares the lunch. Putraya dadati. And she gives it to her son. So the answer is Mata bhojanam nirmaya putraya dadati. Suresha prataha uttishtati. Suresh gets up in the morning. Devam namati. And bows down to the Lord. Answer is Suresha prataha utthaya devam namati. Rama pustakam svikaroti. Rama accepts a book. Vidyalayam gachati and then goes to school. Rama pustakam svikritya vidyalayam gachati. Next one. Aham griham agachami bhojanam karomi. I come home and then I have my lunch. So the answer is Aham griham agatya bhojanam karomi. Next one. Tandula kanan vikirati jalam vistarayati. So he scatters rice grains and then spreads the net. So tandula kanan vikirya jalam vistarayati. Next, vyadha tandula kanan avalokate bhumau avatarati. Answer is vyadha tandula kanan avalokya Bhumau avatarati. It should actually be not Vyadha but Kapotaha. It should have been, because that's what the sentence which makes sense. That the pigeon saw the rice grain and then descended to the earth. So it is not the Vyadha but it is a Kapota or Kapotaha. It should be plural also here. Anyway, this is a sentence which is given and that's what is converted here. Next question. Udaharana anusaram upasarga yojanena tva sthane lyap pratyayasya prayogam kritva padani parivartayata. As in the example, add the upasarga and change the tva pratyaya to lyap pratyaya. And they have given 6 upasargas here. Sam, a, upa, ut, vi and pra. So we have to add the appropriate upasargas to these 6 sentences, to these 6 words here, and then form sentences which make meaningful sentences. Chhatrah griham gatva bhojanam karoti. Having come home, the student takes his lunch, has his lunch. Chhatrah griham agatya. So gatva, which is tva pratyaya, became agatya. So the a upasarga was used here. So we have to use the other 5 upasargas appropriately. We'll see. We'll start with the easier ones and then we'll go to the more difficult ones later. Shikshakaha shlokam likhitva. Very easy. Pathayati. Shikshaka shlokam vilikhya. V plus lik plus lyap. Pathayati. Having written the shloka, he teaches. Next one. Rama sthitva gitam gayati. Sthitva means standing up. So it will become utthaya. Rama utthaya gitam gayati. Ut plus tha plus lyap. Next one. Shishya sarvada gurum Natva, having bowed down, having saluted. Pranamya, pra plus nam plus lyap. So we have finished 3 upasargas, 4 upasargas till now. A, ut, pra and vi. Now the 2 remaining are sam and upa. Let us see where these things can come. Mata vastrani kshalayitva, having washed the clothes, she cooks, pachati. So the answer is Mata vastrani samkshalya, sam plus kshal plus lyap. Having washed the clothes nicely, samyak kshalayitva, very nicely, in a nice way, manner, having washed the clothes, she cooks. Now the last one is upa, which is remaining. So lekhakaha alochanam upakritya, upa plus kri plus lyap likhati. How now question comes, how can this word upa kritya come in the sentence, and what sense does it make? Now, among the many meanings of the prefix upasarga called upa, one meaning is nearness. So he wrote his writing, whatever he wrote was very close to his thought process, which means he selected those words in the vocabulary which were very close to the thoughts which he had in his mind and wrote them accordingly. So with this, we have finished all the upasargas in this question. Sam, a, upa, ut, vi and pra. Next one. Pathe prayuktena upayukta padena riktasthanam purayita. Fill in the blanks with the proper words from the lesson. Sarvaihi ekachitti bhuya dash uddiyatam. Jalam adaya uddiyatam. So they have to carry the net and just fly. Jala apaharakan tan avalokya paschat adhavat. So the hunter ran behind the pigeons who were carrying away the net. Asmakam mitram hiranyako nama mushakarajaha. Hiranyakaha kapotanam avapata bhayat chakitaha tushnim sitaha yatohi vipatkale vismayaha eva ka purusha lakshanam. Next question. Pathe prayuktena lyap pratyayanta padena saha upayuktam padam yojayita. Match the following using the lyap pratyaya. They have given one here. Avalokya, Jalapaharakan, Avalokya. Next, Vikirya, Tandula, Kanan, Vistirya, Jalam, Avatirya, Bhumau, Ekachitti Bhuya, Uddiyatam, Pratyabhignaya, Tadvachanam. Next, Samasa Yukta Padena, Riktasthanam Purayita. Fill in the blanks with the correct Samasa Pada. Gandakyaha Tiram, Gandaki Tiram, Tasmin, Gandaki Tire. Tandulanam Kanaha, Tandula Kanaha, Tan Tandula Kanan. Jalasya Apaharakaha, Jalapaharakaha, Tan Jalapaharakan. Avapatat Bhayam, Avapata Bhayam, Tasmat Avapata Bhayat. Ka Purushanam Lakshanam, Ka Purusha Lakshanam, Tasmin Ka Purusha Lakshane. Saptami Vibhakti here. These two are all in Dvitiya Vibhakti in Bahuvachanam here, and this is in Panchami Vibhakti Ekavachanam, and this is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Next, Sarthaka Padam Nyatva Sandhi Vichedam Kurta. Do the proper split of the Sandhi. Iti plus Akarnya is Ityakarnya. Chitragrivaha plus Audat is Chitragrivo Vadat. Now, Balakotra is Balakaha plus Atra. Dhairyam Atha Abhyudaye. Dhairyam Atha Abhyudaye is Dhairyam Atha Abhyudaye. Bhojane Api Apravartanam. Bhojane plus Api plus Apravartanam is Bhojane Pyapravartanam. Next one is further. Namaha plus te is namaste. Upayaha plus chintaniyaha is upayas chintaniyaha. Vyadhaha plus tatra is vyadhas tatra. Hiranyakaha plus api plus aha is hiranyakopyaha. Mushakarajaha plus gandaki tire is mushakarajo gandaki tire. Ataha plus tvam is atastvam. Kaschit is kaha plus chit. Now, if you like this video and would like to support this channel, please use the super thanks button on YouTube or also the UPI ID given in description. Thank you very much for your kind support. This brings me to the end of this video and the end of this lesson itself. Alpanam api vastonam samhatihi karya sadhika. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the next lesson in the same Deepakam textbook. YouTube Amara Bharata. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Vande Mataram. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.